Okay, 15. We're going to simplify the expression. We're going to take everything to the second power. So everything in the first we're basically going to take 6 to the second power. If we take x to the negative 4 to the second power, that's going to be x to the negative 8 because you have to multiply the exponents when you have power of a power. Just to refresh, if you have x to the third times x to the fifth, that's going to be x to the eighth. That's when you add the exponents. But if you have x to the third and all that to the fifth, that's when you multiply the exponents. That's x to the 15th. Okay, so just make sure we know the difference there. This is going to be power for power, so we're going to be multiplying all the exponents. Then we have y to the third to the second power. Well, that's going to be y to the sixth. And so far we have distributed the 2 on the outside of the parentheses with everything on the top. Now on the bottom, we got to take everything to the second power as well. So we take the 2 to the second power. We take x to the negative 1 to the second power, which is x to the negative 2. And then y to the third to the second power, which is y to the 6th. So we're distributing the exponent of 2 with everything on the top and on the bottom. Okay, now let's simplify. So we got 6 squared is 36, 2 squared is 4. And then we look at x to the negative 8 and x to the negative 2. Which one is more? Which one is bigger, negative 8 or negative 2? So that would be x to the negative 2. And how much more is negative 2 compared to negative 8? It would be 6 more. So we're going to put x to the 6th on bottom. There's more x's on bottom, and there's 6 more. Then we look at y to the 6th and y to the 6th. They just cancel each other out because there isn't, they both have the same amount, so they're canceled out, and you're going to have this. And we do need to reduce it down. 36 divided by 4 is 9, so you got 9 over x to the 6th. So I think the answer is this right here. But you know what? We need to let's look at another something else. We could have actually simplified inside the parentheses first. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Inside the parentheses, you got negative 4 versus negative 1. Which one is more? Whoops. So negative 4 versus negative 1. Negative 1 is 3 more than negative 4. So you're going to have x to the third on bottom. And then inside the parentheses, the y to the third and the y to the third, they cancel out. So they're gone. And I square this. And then if you have that, 3 squared is 9. And if you take x to the third squared, you're going to get x to the 6th. That's another way you could have done it. Either way, B is your answer.